message. The Minneapolis Police Department is searching for an abducted 20-year-old male named Ray Powell. Ray is a black boy. He was last seen wearing a gray t-shirt, black pants and white shoes. He was last seen at 12th Avenue and Lake Street, Minneapolis. Minneapolis police are looking for a suspect black male in connection with this abduction. Suspect was last seen driving a 2008 white Buick Enclave, Minnesota license number HTH234 heading east on Lake Street. If you have any information regarding this missing child, call the Minneapolis Police Department at 612-348-2345-4911. Anyone who may locate the suspect should take no action other than contact the police as soon as possible. Stay tuned for further instructions.